One of the things that is great about these is that there's a lot of variables to use. And so, from hitch height to tire, different tires you can put on, different gear ratios. There's a lot of different weight positions you can do. There's also different activities that you can do within it. It's not only just pulling, but maybe you want to look at the physics of it and have it pull to a certain spot or things like that. So, the first thing I always do is get students involved, have them interact. And really, we need students to try it and maybe fail once in a while. Put it together and say, hey, it didn't work right. Why didn't it work right? Let them get their hands on, get them trying different activities. And then I would go systematically. Start saying, hey, let's change weight from the front to the middle to the back. And then I look at gear ratio. Let's try different gear ratios. Let's change out variables. Again, all with the scientific method, different STEM learning concepts, being able to have hypotheses, figure out what's going on and what they need to change to, again, pull the most weight or pull the fastest or have theirs go the fastest. Whatever your challenge is going to be with these, and there's a lot of different challenges you can have, it's try one thing, find what the outcomes are, and learn the different science and technology concepts with using these tractors.